For over 100 years, Dormition of the Virgin Mary Greek Orthodox Church has enriched the community of Somerville with our faith, our worship, our values, our heritage, and our people. Since 1948, our church building has been on the site of the historic Elks Home and Columbus Tyler Estate on Central Street. In the following decades, we grew with the neighborhood, and by 1991, we had updated our building with several improvements: classroom, meeting and event space, a new narthex to welcome people as they entered the church, a new kitchen for our banquet hall, a new iconostasis and sanctuary, new icons, central air conditioning, and expanded parking. Over the years, our founders and their children have been joined by new generations of Greeks coming to Somerville, as well as converts to the Orthodox Christian faith who have joined us here at Dormition. We are now presented with a challenge and a blessing. We have an opportunity to renew our church's beauty for the future. While we have taken care of our building, it has nonetheless aged. We have structural issues that cause leaking and cracks in the walls. We need to modernize our social hall. We must add an elevator, sprinklers, heating, air conditioning, and electrical systems that are up to current standards in order to maximize the building's accessibility, safety, and comfort. It is an opportunity to be faithful with what God has given us, so that Dormition will continue serving all of Somerville and beyond throughout our second 100 years, enduring for our grandchildren as well as your children and grandchildren. Rebuilding our church for the future is a leap of faith that we are taking together as a community. Be it the riches of Solomon or the widow's mite, we are all offering our time, talents, and treasure sacrificially to an effort that will benefit our families, our parish, and our city of Somerville.
We ask that you pray for all of us and for our church as we undertake this labor in faith, and we thank you for helping us write this new chapter in our community's history. Μετέστης προς την ζωήν, μη τηρεί